tips on how to maintain your pixie curls.
Stop there if you know you can't maintain your pixie curls in particular, like what I'm putting on. These are SUD pixie curls, 20 inches, 6 by 6 lace. But this is not what I'm here for. I'm not here to sell market today. Come to my gym if you want to buy. So I'm here to just give you a little tips that will help you care and maintain your hair. Like some of you buy luxury hairs. In the next 1 month, it's looking like that 30,000 naira blended hair or sponge, whatever. Okay, make sure you, as you're getting a curly hair or you're getting a pixie curl, you're also getting a leave-in conditioner, a very good leave-in conditioner at that. It should be a good leave-in conditioner, like a rich one. Like there are a lot of nice leave-in conditioners. Ask your stylist for everything. Okay, and then make sure you have like this octopus brush. You need to have the ribbon brush as well. The ribbon brush and the octopus brush. I should have just brought that, but I think it's not difficult now. Girlies, you know the brush I'm talking about. The ribbon brush is what you use, or the octopus brush is what you use for your curly hairs. Please, Ejo, don't comb it out though. Listen attentively. That you use it for your curly hair does not mean maybe this hair is now old and scattered and you want to wear it, you just brush it and wear it. It will look like this. No. What the only time you're allowed to comb your pixie curls is when like you've conditioned it, like wet it with water. After wetting it with water, you are allowed to, you can now comb it. Do you get? Or rather, like we stylists, the way we usually do it, we comb it before the conditioning to make it easier, to avoid tangling. So if maybe with time you can learn how to like comb it first before you condition. But before you condition, you have to wet it. Why? Because it has to be soft to absorb leave-in conditioner. So after making it very soft, you can now like apply your leave-in conditioner and then comb it. Allow the hair to dry. I beg, fine girl, you just finished combing hair right now, you're wearing it, you're looking like somebody that went to swim. Stress the hair, it go stress you. So like, let me say you want to wear it tomorrow, you should do it today. Yes, then by tomorrow it should be looking like this. Once it's somewhere that like is ventilated, right? Not like you finish wetting it and you tie it inside nylon. Now time they tie shit. So guys, your curly hairs is just the only thing you need for it is a good leave-in conditioner. If possible, like during Harmattan season and all, you do mix, you can mix a little oil in that leave-in conditioner, not directly on the hair, please, because of the weather. But this weather, like the normal weather, that's not Harmattan, you don't need the oil though. You just need your leave-in conditioner. And tell me why you will not have a hot combing brush. Okay, fine. You always have a stylist that is handy. Thank you. We are here. I'm here. I need your money. But maybe you don't and you prefer buying those things. You just need a hot comb and a dummy, a mannequin, dummy, whichever one you prefer to call it, just for you to style your creature, just like this one is on my head now. I know this part might be difficult for you. That's why we need to continue eating your money. So thank you. And if you did not get anything from this video, at least get the fact that all you need to maintain your curly hair is just a very good leave-in conditioner and a good toothbrush. Not the one that the teeth is like, should I say teeth or mouth, is that's scattered and it's looking like this. You now put it on your hair, this coil will now be going sideways, northwest, east and south. No, get a good leave-in conditioner, a good ribbon brush for your curly hairs. And then if you are a type that can use the hot comb, like I said, you get your mannequin. Maybe in my next video, or I think I have it in my gallery, I'll post another video of how you can do that yourself. So from now onward, we're going to be giving you tips on how to care for your hair and not just coming here to collect your money. Okay, so for you to know that I have you in my heart, or how should I say it? How dare you say that sentence? Don't laugh at me, please. Okay. So you can slide into my DM if you want this pretty baby on me. It are 6 by 6 units. SDD. Thank you for watching. Bye.